Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Wendy here. Sorry, I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator living in Narberth, Pembrokeshire. Look, two new blocks. I must say they are quite weighty, which sometimes you need a bit of a weighty block. Well, this week it's the letter N, and I'm doing N is for Nature's Beauty. Beautiful stamp. Love the animals. So it's the animals I'm going to be using today. Now then, I'll start off with, I was watching Nancy Reynolds this morning. She was using the American paper. So I got a piece 12 by 12 and I cut it down to, sorry, just turning my phone off because I know that'll go off otherwise. Cut it down to cut the 1 inch at the bottom, but keep that because you can use that for putting sentiments and stuff on. So it's ended up with a piece of 4 1/4 by 11. I scored it at 5 1/2. And then the mat is this one. I'm using I ran out of the other blue that I was using, the darker blue. So this is one of the new colours, and it's called Misty Moonlight, and it's turning out to be a favourite of a lot of people. So I got that, and then sorry, that is 4 by 5 1/4. Then the topper is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. So we're going down in an 1/4 inch increments to give you a nice little border on the outside. Right. To use, look, attack before I even start. Now that is not on, is it? But never mind, that's going over the top, so it won't matter. Right, now then, we'll use this one, this piece. I'm sure that everything in here's got legs today. Whatever I've touched this morning has gone away. It's run off or something. Ah, no it hadn't. I put it back where it should have been. That teaches me a lesson, doesn't it? Right. I'm using... No, I'm not using that. I just remembered we've got this one. Here we are. Crumb cake. It's one of the I like this Tip Top Taupe, but I don't think it's in the catalogue. I think that could be a discontinued colour. So I will use crumb cake. Right, first of all I'm going to do the bigger one, because for the topper I'm going to be making DSP and then putting another writing on top of it. So I'm only stamping the top half of the deer and just in different directions. 3 of them. Then I'll be bringing, no, not the rabbits, no. They're nearly the same size, aren't they? I love this. Look at his little face. It's sweet. Almost like he's smiling at us, look. Right, and because this is a bit smaller, I think we can put a bit more of him in there. So a bit of him there. Don't want to put his bottom in there, do I? Now, come on. 1, 2, 3 of those. I will clean my blocks, sorry, not my blocks, my stamps afterwards, because it's going to take, then for the rabbit, because he's so small, there's going to be a bit more of him showing. We're going to just fill in the gaps now. I think that's, no, that's all right. Put him there. And a little bit of him there. And a little bit more there. There we go. And there's the topper. Now what I haven't got, or what I haven't cut out, is the sentiment. I'll be back now. And here's what I did earlier, as they say. Now then this is, it needs to be, sorry, halfway, 5.5 inches. So he's measuring it. Line the ends up. And there we are. I don't know why I scored it, but everything I fold now I always score. Then you just cut that bit off. Now very straight, but don't worry, it's going to go across the card. And today I thought, hopefully this fits now. The thank you fit. Oh, look at that, just right. Not big enough. Oh dear, dear, dear. Right, turn it upside down. Try and line it up with something straight. There we are. Try and be careful now, Wendy, and stamp it tidy. Tidy like, innit? I've got ink all over the block, but never. I'm just going to move out shots maybe a bit just to put this on there. I'll put it on the side where I haven't got any ink all over it. Why I've moved it over here was because these have already got a cushion. They don't need the extra little bouncy thing. And these, they haven't. So, there we are. Nice little thank you. So now what I'm going to do now, is I'm going to see where I want it. Yeah, about there, I think, isn't it? Go over a bit more. There we go. Turn it upside down. Keep it steady. And I have got Stamp It Up snail, but the one I've got has been discontinued, but they are bringing out a new one, which is, as a Stamp It Up, always good quality. Right. There we go. So there is my glue. Here we go. Right. Card, make sure it's the right way up, because I do not want upside down animals. Animals, I was going to say that. Plenty of glue gives you plenty of wiggle room. Just line it up so you've got that lovely little border all the way around it. Then do the same with the topper. And this strip across here, there was another idea that, another thing that Nancy did. She's on Facebook, I think, is Stamping with Nutsy. But I will leave the link for her thingamajig's down below. Now then, because I've already just stamped that, I'm going to turn it over. It's going to stick to everything. So there we are. Lovely card. N is for Nature's Beauty. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a go yourself and let me know how you get on. Look at the description box below. The online shop will be going to a friend of mine's, but they're giving me a new something or other on the 15th, and then my name will be on that shop then, so you'll be able to, if you shop with me once, and every time you come and shop with Stamp It Up, you'll be directed to mine shop. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later on. Bye.